guys, I'm here with my dispute for outpost demolition, and right now you can see that this is me right there. And just a second, this is me, and then this is him, my opponent. And this is overtime outpost first map, and you'll see in a second that I win. I have the bomb plan right now. I kill him, and in a second you'll see that I win. I lose second map, which is carbon, and I'll show you that I win third map. I get the win and kill cam because I did win, and whoever wins gets the win and kill cam. So yeah, this is me. Thank you guys. I won that one, and yeah.